Alright, so in this video, just going to do a quick demonstration. All the new all-metal Rotobosses, Rotoboss Junior, have the ability to make adjustments on the fly with the tower. On the back side, you'll notice there's a washer right here on the anti-backlash nut. That washer there releases the tension on the nut and allows the assembly to slide in one direction. Alright, so once in the machine, you can take this washer, pinch it, you can slide it back. You can also have your adjustments here, so you still have your fine adjustments with the lead screw, as well as a rapid adjustment with that release washer. Going the other direction, it's not necessary. You just push on it, slide it up where you want it, then make your fine adjustments here. When you're adjusting the wheel, a lot of people will twist it. You can do that. I take it, makes it a little quicker. Just run your hand across it to raise and or lower your arm. You go all the way to the top. There, it's all the way to the top. Then all the way back to the bottom. There's some things of note. These are intentionally left loose to prevent any binding or anything in the system when it's operating up and down. And same thing on the lead screw on the back. It is meant to be loose to do the same, to allow for any kind of movement or deviations along the path of travel. It can compensate and move freely, so you have a nice smooth transition back and forth. Again, pull it back, push it forward, and it stays in place. The new Junior, which this is one of the prototypes, but it's going to have a thumb screw on the back side here. So if you decide you don't want the lead screw on it, you want to just move it back and forth freely, you'll have a thumb screw in the back here to be able to tighten down when you get it in position where you want it. Other than that, this works just the same, but still gives you your minor adjustments here on the lead screw. Choice is yours, but the option will be available on the new ones that are probably going to come out in the next couple months. But in the meantime, this will be the old one. The one that's currently being made will be the one that people will get until that point. But anyways, that's just a quick rundown of how this new system works. It's been incorporated since October last year. Not too many people know about it, I guess, but hopefully this will kind of point out and help with understanding a little bit more how that will work. Alright, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.